Are you looking for fabric for your next project?
Well, we've got some great deals in honor of Memorial Day, so you can find exactly what you need.
Hi, it's Donna Robertson
And Fran Morgan with Fabric Café.
Memorial Day is just around the corner, so in honor of that, we're having a sale.
You can get 10% off everything in our Memorial Day sale tab at fabriccafe.com.
Just use the code MEM1025 to apply the discount.
The sale runs from May 22nd to May 27th. It's the perfect time to restock that fabric stash.
We have some brand new kits that you can use the discount on too. So let's look at some of them. Now the first pattern we're going to talk about is Elation. It uses a 10-inch block and it can be either directional fabric or you can use a layer cake. The borders on these blocks make it look like the block is just floating, and you achieve that by the simple technique of stitch and flip. We've got a stitch and flip here and a stitch and flip here, and then we repeat that on the bottom. Super, super simple, and it just makes that block float off of the surface. So let's put it on the table and look at some great fabric. Now the Elation pattern is perfect for a beautiful fabric in this big block. And this is gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
This has little gold edging on the flowers and on the leaves. It is so pretty, very elegant.
And the little bit of gold makes it look like the sun is shining on the flowers, which I love.
Yes, right after a little rain. Okay, I love this fabric. It's going to look beautiful in this block. And then our number 2, it's the light that causes all of the design to come forward. It's going to be everywhere you see here. You're going to do your little stitch and flip strips with that white on one corner of the previous strip. And then we've got this darker blue, and it is just yummy. Look at that. Really picks up the blues in the flowers.
It does.
Yeah.
It really does.
And that's going to be the perfect outline for the big flower that's in the middle. You know, this is one that when I saw the image, I was like, wow. It just looks so good. It just makes that block just come off of the surface.
It does. That dark blue is the perfect number 3 to really frame it well. And I think that the focus fabric really pops off that blue.
I do too. I think this is a beautiful quilt. And I love blues anyway, but I think I love this one extra much. So this one is called Gilded Blooms. It's the Elation pattern from Stash Busting with 3-yard quilts.
Now we have another kit that we think looks perfect in Elation.
Absolutely.
Oh, it's a very large floral. Now this is all done in like greens and corals and some kind of blue greens in the background, and it kind of is reminiscent of this one, but just in a little different colorway. It's going to be gorgeous as the focus fabric.
It's kind of a watercolor look.
So pretty. Now we've paired it with an off-white, very similar to what we have here, just to kind of course, that gives our eye that place to rest and really gives us that contrast for our points. And then our number 3. Another beautiful, beautiful green. This one looks like watercolor or something, and it's got a lot of movement in it, and it is going to go everywhere you see the green here. I think this is all going to come together so beautifully on the surface of the quilt.
That looks so good, and that really green is the perfect frame for that floral.
Yes, I think that the green and the focused fabric, they complement each other in a really special way. So it's kind of interesting how the number 2 almost gave it the pop this time, isn't it?
It is funny. It is. It's so important to have that contrast.
It is.
And then the different patterns make it come forward or, really
or
pop
recede.
off yeah.
So pretty. All right. Let me get you the kit information on this. It is called Terracotta Garden. It is our Elation pattern from the Stash Busting with 3-yard Quilts book. Now this is Square Up, and this is a great pattern because it's going to go together really quick. We've simply made our block with strip assemblies. The little 4 patch in the middle is so fun and easy with the strip assembly. It goes together in no time. Then we've simply bordered it with strips of fabric and then bordered it again with more strips of fabric. Now what's really cool about Square Up is it's just a 1-block quilt, but we've changed the fabric positions in each block so that every block has a little bit of all 3 colors. Now why is this great? One, you get in that rhythm when you're making it, which makes it super fast. And second, it balances the color on the surface of the quilt. So it really gives you that nice balanced weight of light, dark, and focus. All right, let's get this on the table and check out some great fabric. Our fabric is special, and it looks like we've used more than 3 fabrics.
Absolutely does.
Yeah, and the reason why it looks that way is because we're working with an ombre fabric. Now, our focus fabric is this lime green yellow, and what happens here is we have the lighter color in the very center of the fabric, and then it gets more green and condensed with the little pearlescence on the selvages. Now, all 3 fabrics are the same way, lighter in the middle and more dark and dense with the pattern on the edges near the selvage. So it's really cool.
I love the way it turns out then. Whenever you're looking at this quilt, you have a hard time in your mind saying that's really only 3 different pieces of fabric.
It's true.
Because it's such a cool fabric.
Yeah, because you see it looks yellow here and green here. But that's the beauty of an ombre and using it in this pattern. And you can see here all the places that you can see the green and the yellow. Our number 2 fabric is also the ombre, and it's more of a cream with the little pearlescent confetti on there. And you can see here all the cream and all the blocks, a little bit in the center on this one, very cool. And then our bright, fun blue. And you can see that, you see how it gets dark here and then it gets a little lighter here. And then here you can see it's dark and light. I think it's so cool.
I love it. It's sort of a scrappy quilt, but it's very cohesive.
Yeah, but it's not a scrappy quilt. It's just 3 yards of fabric.
I love
it looks like that. So this one is super, super cool. You can see that it just turns out beautifully when you make it up.
And this awesome kit is on sale too.
Yes.
Awesome.
Be sure to use your code because everything in that clearance tab is on sale using that code. All right, now this kit is called Neon Snippets, and it is our square up pattern from Make It Modern with 3-yard quilts.
Now, Levity is one of my favorite patterns. It's a 1-block quilt, and it has that dimensional look like you're looking into the quilt and parts of it are floating on the surface. I love that look in a quilt. And this is so simple to make. I'll show you. You've got a rectangle fabric here, and then you have a unit that is strip piece that you put here and here. Then you're going to simply take each of these blocks and rotate them. And you can see they just rotate across the surface of the quilt, and voila, you've got a great quilt with very little work. Now let's look at some great fabric for this quilt. And we have a kit that mimics the same kind of look and feel of what this one is. And we'll still have an image for you as well. The number 1 fabric is just awesome, and it's going to go in each one of the rectangles that you see there. And then we're going to border them with that little strip piecing that we do. And such a simple block, such a simple block. And so this is a nice tone on tone, but it's kind of got like little hash marks or something on it. Yeah. That's going to go in the background, and then the teal is just, you can really pick it up in here. You might not see it when it's up here, but when you put those together, you can see how it's going to cause that background, and this is just going to float on the top of that. Yes. Let's look at an image of this. Now that is fun.
So pretty. I think the colors are so appealing to me. I love the blues and the greens and the teals together. It's just really...
It has a very modern art look too. Yeah. And this would be a great gift quilt for someone that has that more upscale, modern look, or a guy that doesn't like flowers, you know.
Well, it's never too soon to start shopping for quilt kits for Christmas.
Well, that's true.
And now would be the perfect time.
Absolutely. I like this fabric a lot. And this kit is called Mosaic Lagoon. It's the Levity pattern from the Make It Easy with 3-yard quilts.
Now this is our Tic Tac pattern, and it uses a double focus fabric. Now, what that means is you can put a large print fabric in both position 1 and 2. So you can really show off some great, beautiful fabric. Now, fabric number 1, which is this area right here, you can also use a directional fabric, which is perfect. Now, Tic Tac is made in vertical rows this way, makes it super fast. We're using strip assemblies, and our sashing strip right here with the smaller joining block is also done with strip assemblies. So it's going to go together like that. Let's get it on the table and check out the gorgeous fabric. I love this next fabric. I think it's so unique and fun.
It's fun.
It
yeah.
is really fun, and it's the perfect pattern for this fabric. We have this nice big block here with the sashing, and for our focus we're using this sailboat fabric on the dark blue, and it is just going to look phenomenal. And it's going to go in the big block here. And then our number 2 fabric is like a double focus.
Oh, yeah.
The same sailboat on a nice kind of parchment color, and it's going to go everywhere. You see the white here and a little peekaboos on our sashing there, which is kind of cool. And then we're going to frame it all so beautifully. Look at this kind of a rusty red.
Yummy.
It really picks up kind of the red tones in our sailboats, and it's going to frame
Wow.
it so, so well. And of course, that goes everywhere you see this turquoise here. I love the red as the sashing. Love, love, love that as our number 3 sashing fabric. And the fabric number 1 is on the border, so you really get a lot of sailboats going around the quilt. I think
This is
so
another
fun.
great gift quilt,
I think so.
whether
Or-
it's for you or for
yeah.
somebody else.
You know how it is when you're gift shopping, like I know when we Christmas shop or any other kind of shopping, we always get more for us than we do for someone else anyway. Okay. But this turned out so beautiful. I love the double focus. All right, this quilt is called Quiet Harbor, and it's the Tic Tac pattern from Easy Peasy.
Okay, this is another one that's going to be so fun in this, because when you have a great fabric, you really want to show it off in those great big blocks.
Yeah.
And this is fun.
This is fun.
I like it. All those colors. That's going to be in our number 1 spot right here. And I just,
great.
yeah, and look, it is a double focus, because here is this gorgeous fabric that's going to go in the number 2 spot, as well as our little peekaboo
I love
blocks.
it. It's almost like an artist garden where they went in with a little paintbrush and painted all their leaves just the
Absolutely.
way they wanted them.
No, absolutely. And you know, if you look at leaves when they're turning colors, they do kind of have little circles in them. It's kind of interesting.
It's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
So this is beautiful, and you can see how gorgeous that fabric is going to be on the sashing. It is
Yes.
just going to look lovely.
teal is gorgeous.
Let's look at an image and see how cool. Oh, how fun.
It is so fun.
How fun that is.
And I love the way the number 2 fabric is in the little sashing blocks, the joining. I think it gives just that little pop of interest in there.
Absolutely. And I think that teal is perfect. It's really picking up all of the teal, because there's lots of teal in these 2 pieces as well. Now, this kit is called Painted Leaves, and it's the Tic Tac pattern from the Easy Peasy book. Now, Freedom is our next pattern, and this is a great pattern as well. And I love how simple this one is. Now, look at this. You know how we make strip assemblies and we just sew long strips together? This is a strip assembly right there. And then we repeat it with some longer strips, and this becomes a strip assembly at the bottom. Talk about fast. This one's going to go together so fast. Now this is one big block up here, and it's just made with squares and half square triangles. And there's a little magic to this. These go together with your 2 different colors, number 1 and 3, and makes a fantastic looking wreath. So let's look at some great fabric. Freedom is one of my favorite patterns, and I think it's one of your favorite patterns too, because it's always up in the top part of our top 10 for the
Yes.
year. And it stands to reason, because it's a very interesting quilt, and it's just perfect for a Memorial Day sale.
Yes, it
Ah,
is.
Yes. So we're going to use our number 1 fabric in all of our stripes. And we showed you how you make the super simple strip piecing on that. And then there's just little touches of it over in your half square triangles.
yeah.
And then the number 2 fabric is going to be the alternate, your number 2 for your alternate with your number 1. And you get that great stripe like you would on a flag. So that one's going to be cool. And then number 3, we've got this nice kind of a denim-y navy. Is it a denim blue?
I'd say denim blue.
Yeah, it's kind of, and it picks up the denim blue that's in the number 1 fabric nicely. And that will be going in each one of the triangles in the motif here that we've made, but it also has a nice wide border that's going to be great for holding that whole quilt together. Let's look at an image. It did turn out great. I really like that. And you can really see that wreath of stars in that motif up in that upper corner.
Yeah. And you know something we didn't really point out that I do want to point out is there's a little bit of metallic on the focus fabric. And that really stands out, and I love that in the stripe and the star. I just think it works so beautifully.
Good point. I just overlooked that while I was describing it.
It's beautiful, and it works so well in this pattern.
Yeah, I like that. And this kit is called Glory Garden. It's the Freedom pattern, and the kit is on sale this time with the Memorial Day sale.
Now we have some more fun, really patriotic fabric that I really like.
I like it too.
We have a focus fabric that is a red background with red, white, and blue stars on it. Is that not perfect?
That is fun.
It is so
and you
much
know,
fun.
this little print will look great in this, and it'll show up the stars in the stars too.
Stars in the stars. I love that. Plenty of stars. Okay, so our focus fabric is going in our big stripes on our quilt here, as well as our stars and our wreath, which is perfect. And then as a background, we have a white cream, kind of a creamy background with blue and red stars on it, which is perfect. And that is going to go everywhere you see the cream here. And then, of course, in the centers and around, got it. All right, then our number 3 fabric is this really fun blue. And it also has stars on it, and they're red, white, and blue. And that's going to go in our stars here in our wreath as well as on our border. So this is just going to be an explosion of joy and stars and red, white, and blue. Love it.
I like that too.
And as you can see here in the image, it's fun.
It is fun. That is really fun.
It is so much fun, and that the red really pops in our stripes and the blue borders it so beautifully. I think it turned out really, really great.
Well, I really like the way that red really pops, but I can also see it bringing out the red in that number 2 fabric and a little bit in that number 3 as well.
It is great. Really, really love it. All right, this one is on sale too, and the name of it is Brave and Bright, and it is our Freedom pattern. We have even more new kits online that you can get at a discount.
You can get 10% off everything in the Memorial Day sale tab at fabriccafe.com.
Just use the code MEM1025.
The deal ends on May 27th, so make sure you get over there quick. Happy shopping!